Hello students, now we are going to solve the differential equation dy by dx equals minus 5 into x into y. Here x and y are two variables, so here we can separate the variable x and y. So dy by, take y from this side to this side, dy by y equals minus 5x into dx. Now take integrate on both sides. Dy by y equals minus integral of 5x into dx. Here integral of dy by y, so we know that integral of 1 by x equals log x, so integral of dy by y equals log y, that equals minus 5 is constant, so 5 can take out from integral, 5 into integral of x into dx, that implies log y equals minus 5 into x power 1 is there, so integral of x power 1 dx equals x square by 2, that implies, so we can take arbitrary constant c, log y equals minus 5 by 2 into x square plus c. So the solution is of the given differential equation is log y equals minus 5 by 2 into x square plus c.